So what's critical to us is that we are a tried and true and solid partner to our clients. But at the same time, we demand and expect the same level of support and partnerships from our supply chain, namely Domino, and we've gotten it.
We could really tell that Domino wanted to be a strategic partner. They were, what can we do? How can we do it better? And we'll be there to support you after we sell this press. And I think one of the things that really put them across the finish line was the support that we saw from them. They wanted to be there to be a strategic partner with Impact Label.
Without being too cliched, we're here because of you. Our success is based entirely on your success. We're here to make sure that when you buy equipment from Domino, it runs every day, day in, day out. When that's successful, your business is successful, and we're successful too.
In making it a choice for digital, it was really, really important for us to understand the partnership that we were going to have, but also we looked at speed of the equipment, we looked at the efficiency of the equipment, we looked at the downtime of the equipment. When we had the setup of the equipment, Domino was right there to show us some of the tricks of the trade and how to work through things, and that was something I thought that was over and above.
Our role here in the technical help desk is to assist customers remotely. And we're the first line of defense for technical issues in the field. We have a tool called TeamViewer. It allows us to log into the customer's press and see exactly what they see.
Whenever something happens, we can call Domino. They can go in electronically and remotely and do some things to see where we're at, which makes it very convenient. It makes my customers feel much more stable and comfortable knowing that the service that I have for Domino is extremely well done, and their support is unsurpassed by anyone I've seen so far.
Even though we're global, we act very local. We all know our customers, whether they're in the Western region, whether they're in the Eastern region. We all have a shared commitment to our customers so that there are no silos within Domino. We do what's right for our customers.
For Mammoth, the Domino difference really started from the beginning. It was with their outstanding sales force who really listens and understand what we needed. And then the support team around him who helped you with the pro formas, helped you do your analysis to make sure your ROI would actually happen. We have big goals. We want to quadruple the size of the company in the next 5 years. And partnering with Domino is one of the main things that's going to allow us to accomplish that goal.
The Digital Solutions Group is a bridge between our sales department and our service department. We want to make sure that your workflow is the most efficient for not just the Domino press, but for the rest of your facility.
Over the years, we've purchased quite a bit of equipment. Stacy and I, to our production manager, will tell you this is probably the single best piece of equipment that we've bought. Not just the performance of the machine, but the support. They have made us excited about what this machine can do, and we've got the tool to do it now. That's the Domino difference.
Well, I've been told by customers that the Domino difference, even though we have great equipment, it's the people. From the time the customer contacts Domino to the time that the service engineer gets sign off on their service report and leaves, it's the people that make the big difference.
There is a Domino difference. And I look at it also as a Label King difference as well. And that difference is we work with people. We have the people who helped us when we were visiting the plant in Gurney. We have the people who help us with the marketing. We have the salespeople who are continuing to be supportive of us. And the Domino difference to us is the service level that we get when we need it on a day in and day out basis. And they take it personal, just like we take it personal. And that's caring about the business that they have, just like we care about the business that we have. And that, in my opinion, is the Domino difference.
For me, service is the best. This is my home. I make a difference on a daily basis. And I love the team that I work with. And I love the customers that we work with.
A lot of my experience with Domino is on the technical or the support side. The Domino support team is great. They're very responsive in phone calls and emails, and we love when their techs are on site because they're like family to us. So to us, the Domino difference is the reliability and the support, but also collaborating with a great company and making magic happen.
We take training very seriously here at Domino. We spend a lot of time doing hands-on things like what you see behind me. I really enjoy taking someone from another company that come here and learn to apply to situations that they're going to run into every day on the job. My job is to take conscious competency to unconscious competency before they leave. And that's the whole goal of training here at Domino.
Domino gave us the training package that includes operator training, it includes the pre-press training, estimatings and sales training, and all that helped us when we run production.
Here at Domino, we take voice of the customer very serious. We survey after each touch point, whether it be the help desk or service call. We do that to make sure we are meeting or exceeding our customers' expectations.
Do I believe in the Domino difference? Yes, I do. They do what they say they're going to do. They help us out when we need help. And anytime we've had a problem, it's been solved. And that's why we decided to reinvest in Domino again.
Their team is fantastic, and we really felt a connection with them. They care about us like we care about our customers. We know they're going to be here for us and support us and help, and they've just been wonderful.